Hello dear friends! Sometimes the audio sync doesn't work properly. Here are 6 ways to fix it. Make sure the sounds are the same. Usually remix, DJ and manipulated versions of a sound face problems. If you want to sync an audio with the original version, that some parts of it have been removed, the software cannot do this. For example, here I have removed the parts where I do not speak, but the software cannot sync them. So, before removing unnecessary parts, sync them. In few cases, using too many effects causes this problem. So, try to sync the raw audios before changing and using effects. If you have more than 2 tracks, sync them 2 by 2, not at once, because the sound recorded from each microphone is a little different from other microphones. If you want to sync them all at once, you might have a problem. Try to clip first of each video or create a specific sound to be a reference for the software. You have probably already seen that in the cinema they use this tool at the beginning of every take. One of the uses of this tool is to make it easier to sync sounds. Update the software. Sometimes a bug causes this problem. Also, with the progress of artificial intelligence, the performance and efficiency of the software will improve. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.